solve the triangle. To solve the triangle is to find the length of any missing sides and the missing angles. The sum of all three angles add up equal to 180 degrees, but the measure of a right angle is already 90 degrees, and so if alpha is the missing angle, alpha plus 35 degrees has to be the remaining 90 degrees. Alpha is therefore 90 degrees minus 35 degrees, which is 55 degrees. And so we found the remaining missing angle. We do not need to find the measure of a right angle because it is 90 degrees. Keep in mind that 90 plus 35 plus 55 will give us exactly 180 degrees. This is the right triangle, so we can write the trigonometric ratios. First, sine of 35 degrees is the opposite over the hypotenuse. In this case, there's only one unknown in this case, and so if we isolate y, we get y equal 20 times sine of 35 degrees. We will use the calculator to evaluate this, but we will move on and find x. X is adjacent to 35 degrees, and because of SOHCAHTOA, since we know the hypotenuse already, to relate the adjacent to the hypotenuse, we would use cosine. Cosine of 35 degrees is adjacent over the hypotenuse. Isolating x, we have x equal 20 times cosine of 35 degrees. When we use the calculator, make sure the calculator is set in degrees mode. It makes a difference whether the calculator is in radian or in degree mode. We will have different answers depending on the setting. The setting we want in this case is degree. 20 times sine of 35 degrees is approximately 11.47. And 20 times cosine of 35 degrees is approximately 16.38. We now have all three angles and all three sides. We're done with solving this triangle.